All right, so these are the notes for the geometric sequences. Here's the definition. It says a geometric sequence is a sequence in which each term after the first is obtained by multiplying the preceding terms by a fixed non-zero constant. The amount by which we multiply each time is called the common ratio of the sequence. So in essence, you have your first term, so a sub 1, second term, all the way until your nth term, a sub n. And the common ratio, which is this fixed non-zero constant, the way you're going to figure that out, so we use the letter R to represent the common ratio. We just take the second term and divide it by the first term. So when we get there, just kind of letting you know. You can also, it's going to be the same thing as dividing the third term by the previous term, which is the second, and then the fourth divided by the third, and so on. And all those would be the same. It would be your common ratio. All right, so our first example says, write in the terms of a geometric sequence. Write the first 6 terms of the geometric sequence with the first term 6 and the common ratio of 1/3. So we're going to start with a sub 1, and it says that our first term is 6. So this is my initial term, my initial value. Now, a sub 2, if we recall the definition, it says the amount by which we multiply each time is called the common ratio. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that first term of 6 and we're going to multiply it by our common ratio, in this case, which is 1/3. So 6 times 1/3 is going to be 2. Now we do a sub 3. So now we take the previous term of 2 and we multiply it by 1/3. So 2 times 1/3, so 2 times 1 is 2, divided by 3 is 2/3. Now we go to a sub 4. Previous term is 2/3. Multiply it by our common ratio of 1/3. So we just multiply the tops and multiply the bottom. So 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 3 is 9. A sub 5. Previous term is 2/9 times our common ratio of 1/3. So 2 times 1 is 2. 9 times 3 is 27. And I'm running out of space, so a sub 6. And this is my last term because it says to write the first 6 terms. This is my 6th term. So previous term, 2/27, times my common ratio of 1/3. So 2 times 1 is 2. 27 times 3 is 81. So last but not least, my answer would be starting with the first term. So 6, 2, 2/3, 2/9, 2/27, and 2/81. And you can put this in braces. It's just the list of numbers, which are the solutions. So 6, 2, 2/3, 2/9, 2/27, and 2/81.